This is David here again with another video, and today I'm going to be giving a demo of an extension that I recently built called CryptoStats. So recently I've been learning about Chrome extensions and how to build them. I've mostly been spending my time reading the documentation on Chrome extensions and APIs that I can access with them. I built this extension for two reasons. One was to practice what I've been learning about Chrome extensions so far, and second one was to solve a problem. So like I said, you learn how to build extensions, and the best way for you to solidify what you've learned is by putting it to practice. So that's what I did, and I built CryptoStats. And the issue I had is that there are some cryptocurrencies or cryptocurrency tokens or coins that I have, and sometimes I would get a message on my phone about an event that happens, and I will now want to check the price of that token if it has been affected by that event. So the only way would be for me to create a new tab, search for the price and everything. So I built an extension that helped me and solve the issue. So instead of having to create a new tab and search for it, I could just be my current tab and then I'll get the information there. And that is possible through my extension CryptoStats. So as you can see it here, this is the beautiful icon. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. So this first page is your favorite page. This is all the coins that you have picked that will show on your home screen, just for easy access. So instead of having to search for it all the time, you could just pick them and put them here in your favorite page, and once you tap on the extension, it's open up and you see them. So this is the first page. Second page is the search page where you can search for different coins. By default, you get a list of all the trending coins here, and then you could search for any coin in different categories, and you get your option. So that is basically it about CryptoStats. It's a simple extension that I built mostly to practice what I've learned, and I use the CoinGecko API to get information about the coins. They have a generous free plan, I think 10,000 requests per month for the free plan, and it's actually okay since it's just a practice extension. I had to actually make a separate backend for the extension. I came across an issue when I was trying to store my CoinGecko API key, so I couldn't store it on the Chrome extension itself. I did some research and I found out that the easiest way is just to create your own backend and then store the env files or your whatever secret you are trying to keep stored on your backend, and then your Chrome extension makes a request to that backend, and then all the functionalities are done there. It just sends the response back, and that is it. But I didn't find any easy and secure way to store it on the front end in the Chrome extension, so I had to build a backend to store everything. And I would say it's kind of a better choice, because since everything is on the back end, the front end just makes a request. All the heavy load is done on the back end, and then the request is sent back to the front end without any stress. So I feel like it's the better option to go for. So I hosted the backend on Render. So in case you want to check out the Chrome extension and you download it and open it for the first time and it doesn't load as fast as this, it's not really my fault, because I hosted the backend on Render. You can host front end and backend on Render, but I host mostly my backend on Render. And the free plan, once you host it on the free plan, your backend or your API, whatever you host, it goes to sleep for about 50 seconds. So once that first request is made, you will not get a response until 50 seconds or maybe 1 minute has passed before your response will come back. So it might be a bit slow, that's first time, but after that everything becomes fast. So hopefully I'll find a way to fix that in the future, maybe just switching to the paid plan to avoid the issue. And I actually like the design of this Chrome extension, so I thank God that I actually learned how to design user interfaces like last year or last 2 years when I started learning coding. So it allowed me to be able to build things with beautiful UI like this. So I don't have to be, just taking things from different places and just putting. I know how everything looks and the best way to display it. So yeah, I actually like the design interface of the extension. It's very nice. So that is it for this video. That is it for CryptoStats, and hopefully I'll continue making more videos about Chrome extensions. And I'm currently working on one for the Gemini Google Chrome extension competition or hackathon. So hopefully there'll be a video about that. And I guess that is it for this video.